is Sarah G and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a project. This is a shadow box project that I got this idea from Pinterest. So I'm giving her like the shadow box gift for Mother's Day. So this is very nice. So I hope it turned out to be nice. The project is so nice, so I'm just so excited to share this to you guys. How did I make it using my Silhouette Cameo 3, and the material that I'm gonna use is the shadow box frame, and the cartolina. No, it's not a cartolina, a cardstock. So I'm just so excited to share this to you guys. This project is, so I'm gonna do this for the first time, so I'm gonna share it to you how did I make this project. So I'm so excited, so let's start. So this is the shadow box. So this is our shadow box, and this is our cardstocks. So this is shades of pink. So we open the Silhouette Studio. So this is the design of the rose. So I already bought it from the store. So this is the design, the rose that we need to make on the upper left side, the roses. So I just double click it and it'll show you the design, but I readjust the size of the rose because I wanted like small roses. So it's already set up. So these two are the size that I wanted. So I'm just gonna delete this one, the big one. Okay, so we're gonna bring it to the right side, upper right side, and this is what it looked like to send it. You know, I mean, if you see my previous videos, this is the time that you're gonna set the material. This is cardstock plain, then cut out a blade. So when you're ready, when you set up the cardstock in the mat, then you just put on, you put the mat to the machine. So and then send it. So we're gonna send it after we set up the cardstock in the mat. So I'm putting it in, I'm putting the cardstock, and we're ready. So we're gonna load this up to the machine. So it's loaded. Then look here, I'm gonna click send. So ayan, tapos na siya. So you just need to unload this. You have this tool to save it up. So we just need to roll it. Roll it, we can roll it. That's the term. We can roll it. And we need flour. So when we're done, we're gonna seal it with hot glue. Like, so we have this glue gun here. So to seal the rose. So I'm done with my paper roses or cardstock roses. So what I'm gonna do next is to go back to Silhouette Studio. So I already did the Grandma and Samantha and Tiffany letter design. So what I'm gonna do is to cut the vinyl, the material. So this is it. I do some offset welding. So we're gonna separate them uh, to cut the separate design and put them together in one frame. So we're gonna click send. Then instead of cardstock, we're gonna use the Oracle 651. This is the permanent. This is permanent vinyl. Then we're gonna look for the material. I'm having a hard time. Where is it? There it is. Vinyl Oracle 651. Yes. Then I guess we're ready. Then I will just set up the I already set up the vinyl, so I'm using the white color vinyl because it doesn't matter what it looks like in the Silhouette Studio. One thing is, like, whatever you put it on the mat, or whatever color you put in there, whatever color of the material, that would be the color. So we're done. So I'm gonna peel off what is not needed. So what I just need is the design. So we start peeling off the negative. So we're gonna clean. This is what it looks like. I compiled together the roses. So we're gonna clean the glass. So we're gonna clean it. So I already put all the design together. The Samantha and Tiffany and Grandma put in one, and what I'm gonna do now is to transfer it to the frame, center it. So we just center it. So we're gonna rub it hard. Look at that. So this is what it looks like. It's not bad for the first try. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and click the notification bell below so you will be notified if I have new video. Thank you.